More than 132,000 cases of COVID-19 have now been reported to WHO from 123 countries and territories. 5,000 people have lost their lives, a tragic milestone. Europe has now become the epicenter of the pandemic, with more reported cases and deaths than the rest of the world combined, apart from China. More cases are now being reported every day than were reported in China at the highest of its epidemic. Our message to countries continues to be, you must take a comprehensive approach. Not testing alone, not contact tracing alone, not quarantine alone, not social distancing alone. Do it all.
The coronavirus is now taking over the world. And believe me, I feel really sad. So I want to say to all my subscribers from all around the world, wherever you're from, just stay safe, stay at home. Only if we are united, we will win this battle against that coronavirus. And now many teachers from around the world are going to be turning on online classes, not only us in China, but now in all around the world. So I'm gonna be helping you with this, bring you some teachers, advanced, experienced, just to give you tips and keep on going in teaching English. ESL power. So here we go with today's teacher, Michelle from United States of America. She's gonna give you some tips to start your online classes right now. Welcome to Mikeshomeesl, and if you are new in here, you gotta know that Mikeshomeesl is an ESL teaching tips channel. So if you are new in here, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. So here we go now into this video. As the situation of this virus is going global, many teachers are turning on online teaching. So let's jump into the video with Michelle. She's been teaching English online for almost a year, and even if she's not an expert, she has some beginner tips for you to use in your class. So make sure to subscribe to Michelle's channel. She's got really useful tips. So let's check out her very interesting tips right now.
Hello, my name is Michelle and welcome to my classroom. I was a classroom tutor for 5 years and now I teach English online. I've only been teaching English online since July 2019, so I'm no expert. However, I've already taught 704 classes in my 8-month journey. I find that teaching English online has become my most preferred way of teaching because it allows me to be my best teaching self when I can work with my students one-on-one. So allow me to provide 3 helpful tips for new online ESL teachers. Tip number 1, always give your students eye contact. This may sound self-explanatory when teaching English online. However, it's very easy to allow your eyes to shift to your students or to yourself. When we allow our eyes to shift, our students assume we are not paying attention. This will invite our students to become distracted or even entertain themselves with something else. Tip number 2 is be patient with your students. We all know learning a new language is challenging, so allow your student to perform at his or her own level. And tip number 3, always provide your parents with effective feedback. Effective feedback contains a lot of details. Providing effective feedback gives parents a clear idea of how their child is performing in your class. I hope that you found these tips to be helpful. Before I end this video, allow me to thank my friend and fellow ESL teacher, Mike from Mikeshomeesl. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of your team. Thank you so much for watching this video, Happy teaching.
Hope you like Michelle's tips. Don't forget to go into the description down below and subscribe to Michelle's YouTube channel. You can even see her teaching a full online class. And I would like to say thank you to Michelle for helping classroom teacher in their turn of being an online ESL teacher. Thank you so much, Michelle. For all the teachers all around the world, stay united. Don't be scared, stay at home, stay safe, and don't forget that together we are stronger. ESL power. Much love from Mikeshomeesl to all the teachers around the world. Be brave. Love you all.